machine guards. The guards installed on our machines are there to protect you, as long as they stay in place, and the machine is operated according to the instructions. If you follow those rules, you are protected from machine-related injuries. There are two ways to defeat a machine guard. Each one cancels the very purpose it was designed for. But if you try to beat a guard, remember, you're not fooling the guard. You're putting your own body at risk. The first way is failing to replace a guard after it's been removed for maintenance, oiling, or adjustments. Even the best guard ever engineered is useless if it's not on the machine. A machine without its guards is just as dangerous as one that never had any protection at all. So if you must remove a guard, always put it back immediately after the job is done. Never operate a machine without its guard. And never let anyone else do it either. I'm not just talking to hear myself speak. Back in our grandparents' day, machines rarely had guards, and the injury rates were horrifying. Seeing someone missing a finger, a hand, a leg, or even an eye was common in every factory. Funeral homes often set up just outside the factory doors. Machine guards helped put an end to that nightmare. The life a guard protects is your own. The second way people defeat guards is by trying to trick them, by figuring out a way to bypass the safety features. Some guards are designed so the machine can't run unless your hands are safely out of the danger zone. But clever hands sometimes try to override these systems. And when I see that, it reminds me of someone inventing new ways to commit suicide. Let this be clear. Limit switches and safety devices were created to prevent you from getting hurt or killed. If you bypass them, you're not helping yourself. You're helping to destroy yourself. And remember, the company didn't install guards to slow you down. We care about efficiency, yes. But more importantly, we care about your safety. Even if a guard might seem to slow production slightly, which, frankly, is rarely true, that guard is there to save your fingers, your hands, or your life. So use every guard you're given, every time. And be thankful you work in a time when these protections are built just for you.